Good evening, viewers. Welcome again to my channel, Second Matter, the solution to your math problems. This is lesson 5 of indices. Lesson 5 on indices. And the previous lesson, that is in lesson 4, we simplify some indical expressions. So for this lesson, we are going to simplify more indical expressions. So without wasting my time, let's begin with question 2. So question 2, without using calculators, we have to simplify the following. So let's begin with A. So we have 27 exponent 1 out of 3 multiplying 64 exponent 1 out of 3 divided by 81 exponent 1 out of 4. So the first step, we want to do away with the fractional index. So how do we do that? So we need to write 27 in indices such that it will have an index of 3. So that is 3 exponent 3. And this will multiply 1 out of 3. Again, for 64, that will be 4 exponent 3, then multiplying 1 out of 3, divided by 81. So 81 in index form. We have 3 exponent 4 multiplying 1 out of 4. So let me repeat this. 3 exponent 3, 4 exponent 3, and then 3 exponent 4. So we could see that some of the index can cancel out. That 3 goes here, 1, 3 goes here, 1, 3 goes here, 1, 3 goes here, 1, 4 goes here, 1, 4 goes here, 1. So let's simplify. We have 3 left. Multiplying, we have 4 divided by 3. So 3 multiplied by 4, that is 12, divided by 3. And then 12 divided by 3, 4. So that is 4. A. Now let's also look at B. So for B, we have 16 index 1 out of 4 multiplying 125 index 1 out of 3 multiplying 27 index negative 1 out of 3. So again, we need to do away with the fractional index. So we need to write 16 in index form. So which index form of 16 will help eliminate the fractional index? So that is 2 exponent 4 multiplying 1 out of 4, and then 125, that is 5 exponent 3 multiplying 1 out of 3, and multiplying 27, so that is 3 exponent 3 multiplying negative 1 out of 3. So let me repeat this. So we could see that we can cancel out some of the indexes. 4 goes here, 1, 4 goes here, 1, 3 goes here, 1, 3 goes here, 1, 3 goes here, 1, 3 goes here, 1. So we have 2 multiplying 5 multiplying 3 index negative 1. Remember, the negative index of it, 3 exponent negative 1 can be written as 1 out of 3. So 2 times 5, that is 10, multiplying 1 out of 3. And this is 10 out of 3. Or we can also convert it to mixed fraction. So that is 3 whole number 1 out of 3. Let's also look at the C. Also with the C. So with the C, what we need to do is that we need to rewrite all the index expressions to have the same base. So consider the same base will be base 3. So let's begin. We already have our 3. Then 27 will be written as 3 exponent 3. And this will multiply n plus 1. And for the denominator, 81 will be written as 3 exponent 4. Then multiplying n. Again, I want us to simplify the index. So we can simplify this. So we have 3 exponent n minus 1 multiplying 3. So when we expand, we have 3n plus 3 all divided by 3 exponent 4n. Now let me get a space here. So now I want us to write the numerator as a single index by applying the first law of indices. So remember that for the first law of indices, when the bases are the same and then they are multiplying, you write one of the bases and add the exponents. So let's do that. Base 3, base 3. So we write one of the bases and we add the index. Now the first index here is n minus 1 plus the second index 3n plus 3 divided by 3 exponent 4n. Again, we can rewrite this division as a single index. Again, remember from the second law of indices that when the bases are the same and they are divided, what do? We subtract the index. But before we do that, let's simplify the exponent for the numerator. So we have 3n plus 3n. We have 4n and then minus 1 plus 3 plus 2 all divided by 3 exponent 4. So at this point, we can write that a simple index by applying the second law. So because they are dividing and the bases are the same, we write one of the bases and we subtract the index. So this is the first index minus the second index, which is 4n. So now let's simplify the index. So 4n, when you remove the bracket, 4n plus 2 minus 4n. See that positive 4n and the negative 4n will cancel out. So we are left with 3 exponent 2. Then 3 exponent 2, that is 9. So we are done with lesson 5. I hope you enjoy this episode. Please like, comment, and share the videos for others to also benefit. Thanks for your support.